Hey YouTube, got a quick review for you. Welcome back to the channel, by the way. Nothing exciting, but it, like a lot of things, you know, they can be informative and not be exciting. So I recently went and bought a tripod. It's the Jolly I know I butchered that, J-O-I-L-C-A-N-A875 model tripod. And I must say it has exceeded my expectations in every way. You know, I have like 4 tripods and they're about the same range in price as this one, and they're all half broken, and the others I hate because they're short and it's annoying. But this one is better than all of them put together. So as a person that's tall, I value not having to hunch over to see if the camera's in focus, and this tripod eliminates that, because one of its standout features is a 75-inch height with a minimum height of 21.5 inches. Like I said, the maximum height of 75 inches it brings it up to eye level for me. I'm 6 foot, having a little hunch down and everything to see if the camera's in focus. So, you know, this tripod adapts effortlessly to various scenarios in that sense. It's good for overhead shots, and it's good for a mini tripod. So, like I said, it's 21.5 inches, so it's great. It weighs at 2.9 pounds. Just because it's lightweight, don't let that fool you. It comes in being able to hold a weight of 13 pounds. So I can use it to dry codfish, you know. Okay, well, maybe not dry codfish, but being able to support 13 pounds, it makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. You can use it for small speakers, cameras, projectors, laser levels. If you're a shooter, you can have it for your spot laser, you know, many applications. This tripod comes equipped with a carry handle, which is nice. It's built in. Nice carry bag, which again, it helps with the portability of it. I'm hiking through the rugged terrain. Okay, we know that I'm not hiking through the rugged terrain, but maybe you do. Maybe you're a photographer that takes landscape photos, or you're just navigating urban environments. This tripod, because of its compact design, ensures that you can effortlessly transport it to any location. The pivoting feet on this tripod deserves to be mentioned because they really do provide exceptional stability, even on uneven surfaces. They got rubberized tips, and it stays put for the most part. The other ones were hard plastic tips, and if the floor was a little wet or anything, it wouldn't be stable. If you nudged it, it would slide. But the rubber tips on this tripod it's nice. It comes with the lock, the flip lock for the legs, which most tripods do, but this one is a little more better quality than my other ones. With the hook in the middle, you can add a sandbag to. If you're outside, windy and stuff, it definitely adds stability to it when you can add a weight. My favorite thing about this tripod, which the others don't have, is the quick release base plate. It allows for me to quickly attach and detach my equipment, enabling, you know, seamless transition between setups and adjustable angles and so on. Not that, you know, I'm a big production guy. I'm just saying, I'm trying to give you, if you're looking for this tripod, give you what it can do so that it's a wise decision, I guess. The crankable middle that is nice and smooth. You crank her up nice, brings her up nice and high. I like that feature. The other one you had to unscrew and kind of pull up the center. This you just loosen the knob on the back and just nicely crank her up. 360 pan, that's great. Nice and smooth. The legs are made from aluminum. They say it's 87% aluminum, and 13% ABS resin. So take from that as you will. But in my opinion, it does seem to be very well made. And I think it's going to last a long time, even with me, how I abuse everything. I think it's going to last. It's definitely a lot better quality than the others I got. If you're a photographer or videographer and you're looking for a nice tripod on a budget, this one is going to serve you well until you get something much more professional. But I think this one is definitely going to serve you perfectly. So there you have it, folks. This tripod gets the HR thumbs up. If you have some spare change, hit the like button and subscribe. See ya.